In question 7, a lead pencil consists of, say we know in pencil outer part is wood part and inner part is graphite part, isn't it? So this is given, diameter of pencil is given 7 millimeter, and here diameter of graphite is 1 millimeter. So what we can do, diameter of pencil is 7 millimeter, so radius will be 7 by 2 millimeter, isn't it? Then diameter of graphite is 1 millimeter, so radius will be 1 by 2 millimeter. Then height of the pencil is given 14 centimeter, so this is in 14 centimeter. Height is 14 centimeter. Okay, now here we know from, to convert from centimeter to millimeter we should multiply with 10. See, we can convert all millimeter into centimeter and centimeter to millimeter. Okay, so to convert centimeter into millimeter only this we should convert, and for these two quantities, so better to convert this into millimeter. So 140 millimeter will come. Okay, then volume of wood will be, volume of pencil will be, volume of wood only, volume of wood will be volume of pencil, isn't it? Pencil means complete pencil minus volume of graphite. So pi r square h, pi r square h. So pi h we can take common, r square minus r square. So 22 by 7, h is 140. 7 by 2 square minus 1 by 2 square. So this will go 440. This we can use identity here. 7 by 2 minus 1 by 2. 7 by 2 plus 1 by 2, isn't it? So 440. 7 minus 1, since denominator is same, we can subtract numerator. 6 by 2 means 3. And here 8 by 2 means 4. So 440 into 12. So this will give 5280 millimeter cube. 5280 millimeter cube. Okay. So this is volume of wood. Now in question it is also given, then find the volume of graphite also. So volume of graphite means this volume, isn't it, with 1 by 2. That also we can find. So what we will write here? Volume of graphite. Or what we can do, volume of pencil we can find separately, volume of graphite we can find separately, then we can do subtraction. So volume of graphite means pi r square h. So r means 1 by 2, 1 by 2, h is 140. So it will go 7 2s, isn't it? Then this will go, so 11 into 10 means 110 millimeter cube is volume of graphite. In question 8, it is given a patient is given a cylindrical bowl. Okay, bowl is cylindrical in shape with diameter 7 centimeter and height is 4 centimeter. Okay, so how much soup the hospital has to prepare daily for 250 patients? So first we will find how much soup will come in one bowl. That is, what is the capacity of one bowl. Okay, so for such 250 person we will multiply the capacity. So diameter is given 7 centimeter. So radius will be 7 by 2 centimeter. Height is 4 centimeter, isn't it? So volume of soup we can consider in bowl, pi r square h, 22 by 7. R square means 7 by 2, 7 by 2 into h is 4. So 1 7 will go, 2 2s are 4, 1 2 will go. So 22 into 7 will be 154 centimeter cube, isn't it? So this is volume of soup in one bowl. Such how many soups we should make? 250. So volume of soup for 250 persons will be 250 into 154, isn't it? So 10 will remain, 125 and 10 135, 25 ones are, then 25 3 8 500 will come. Okay, so this is centimeter cube. Or if you want to convert it into liter, okay, because how much soup is mentioned, so no need to convert in centimeter cube. But if we want, so we can divide by 1000, divide by 1000, so answer will be 38.5 liters. We can write 38.5 liters.